Hey, what's up, everybody? How's it doing? After a long time, I am posting a very work hard done by our team who able to generate above 1,000 leads for one credit repair company, and not just lead but website schedule so many appointments, right? And full packed calendar for next month, right? And we just stopped our campaign, and I just thought that I should share this success story with my social media fans. So if you are wanted to do Facebook ads and have a credit repair business especially and need real leads, because I saw that many credit repair companies who tested Facebook lead forms or Facebook ads for their businesses, they always complaining that their ads not working, and some of them says that they able to generate the leads but hardly they able to catch them on a call, and that's the problem that many companies are facing. But watch this video, I'll show you what I did, right, and what our team has done with for this customer, and how's our lead conversation, and how we packed our calendar, right? So let's take a look on this campaign. So as you can see my screen already that there are 594 website appointment schedules, right? And as you can see that $7 consistent cost per schedule, right? And also we tested Facebook lead form, and as you can see we have a tremendous result because our lead cost under 50 cent here, right? 329 leads under 44, like under 50 cent, right? 0.444. And here as you can see 286 lead, 0.80, 0.57 cent, right? So like we not spent so much amount to get all these leads, right? So let's take a look on our backend CRM that we connected with this ads or campaigns, right? So this is a CRM that we are using, and behind that is completely automation we select and we set up for one of our customer. So as you can see here, like there are real conversation between customer who booked a call or who sign up and become our lead. So you can see that how many appointments and what's the conversation behind that, right? So as you can see here, hey, are you looking for a credit restoration call with Crystal? Are you open for call tomorrow? Like they said yes. Like what does mean by that? Because I saw that many people facing that problem, they said their lead not even to call them. Like this is the automated message that we send whenever someone become our lead. And here's another example, right? Let me show you. As you can see that someone become our lead, and here's you can see that here's the real conversation between them, and it's completely automated, right? Until they really want to know some answers and they have questions, we able to reply them until they came through a simple Facebook lead, and they just got a simple SMS that is fully automated, right? So let me show you our appointment, our appointments. Here you can see that confirm a lot of appointment. But let me show you our calendar, real calendar, right? Let me take a look of its monthly, right? So as you can see here, a lot of appointments and calendar is booked, right? These are not leads, these are appointments, because our leads auto enter a nurturing campaign until they become our appointment, because we not need to chase every single lead, call them, because it's very hard thing for business owner who's struggling for that, right? So that's why we set up this automation system. And as you can see here, that in just one day, 8 appointment here, 8 appointment, 7 appointment, 7 appointment, right? Oh, sorry, 7 appointment, 8 appointment. So you can see that this calendar is packed, right, with a lot of appointments. And that is what we here doing with our team, right? And they really work hard. Personally, I am very close to become a customer acquisition expert in credit repair industry, because personally I started knowing about the behavior problems about folks who need help with the credit, and what's their false belief about credit companies. And that what we found. And we are still hardly working to winning the customer acquisition, right, strategy on that. So guys, if you are watching this video and have any question related credit repair leads, calls, yeah, you can ask me. Feel free to reach out to me. I would happy to assist you and tell more about how's my system is working, right? So thank you very much to watching this video, and I'll shoot another video soon. Thank you.